Pop-up album tutorial part 4. In this page we are making a night scene and I'm putting the pattern papers according to the scene. In this pop-up page we are making double layers of pop-up, so you can make two pieces of the same sizes. If you want the proper measurements, just read the captions down below and follow all the rules to get the free cutting guide. Now I'm just sticking this pop-up piece in a different way. As you can see, the broader piece is a bit on the top and the narrower part is on the bottom. Now I'm just covering the pop-up piece with my element. Here I'm using a garden scene. It's just the front of the house, and then to make another layer of the whole garden, or you can say the front of the house, I am sticking another piece of pop-up element, and then we will stick the second layer of our garden scene. You can cover the showing white cardstock with any pattern paper and add some more elements so that it looks more 3D and more realistic. I am adding a small hedgehog here and putting some picture mags in my pocket, finally completing the whole look with the sentiment. And that's it, we are done. Follow me for more such tutorials. Bye.